you are my favorite girl. Yeah, me love your bumper the way it work. Yeah, the roadway is good. Oh no, wait, okay, reverse. Sit down, girl.
Welcome to Pree Dis, your weekly fix in entertainment. I'm your host, Michaela Leana, and this week we have lots in store for you. We're coming to you from Kingston 6. Your Pree Dis journey starts right now. Soca in the City promoted by Jamaica Carnival. Let's see how Alison Hines turned up the heat.
That's why I live in for tonight. On cloud nine. That's why I live in for tonight. On cloud nine. Live like it all could end tonight. On cloud nine. That's why I live in for tonight. On cloud nine. And you might see me stumbling, but once my heart's still pumping, I must wind up on something. And there's vibes in and no ceiling. It's exactly how I feeling, and I don't care who watch it. Cause I don't hire already. Feel I could fly already. I'm up in the sky already. Oh Lord, I celebrating life. And when I wake up in the morning, don't tell me about last night. And if you take a picture, don't tag me on no site. I can't predict the future, so I'm taking this full flight. That's why I live in for tonight. On cloud nine. That's why I live in for tonight. On cloud nine. Live like it all could end tonight. On cloud nine. That's why I live in for tonight. On cloud nine.
Hola, she come on me thing like hola, and then I give she the thing like hola. I'm shop the place and you know you're whining good. She malo, hola, just give me some time now. Hola, she want me step down the wine now. Hola, but you something feeling good. I know. And she ball hola, 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 hola. She ball hola, 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 hola. She got me name. She ball hola, 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 hola. Hola, 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 hola. She got me name. And she said, hola, hey, tell them hola tunde, hola tunde. Tell them hola tunde. Wipe on the thing I want it. Stay on the mind I'm on it. Anything that you come with, tell them hola tunde.
What do I look forward to the most? The people, the energy of the people is always like off the chain, you know, and it means a lot to me as a soca artist, you know, coming to Jamaica, the land of reggae and dancehall, and you know, to get that kind of response from Jamaicans, from born and raised Jamaicans. That's like the best thing. Oh, tonight's energy was off the charts. It was up there. You know, people, they were so responsive, and you know, they were singing everything, and they were getting involved and jumping and waving, and yeah, it was absolutely off the charts.
Everybody is excited. They're here. They came out in numbers tonight, and they were partaking all over. Happy to be back. April the 2nd, we'll be in St. Elizabeth for their blowout, and they will be coming on into Kingston on April the 23rd for our Kingston Road Parade. Start up at Hope Gardens and come down Hope Road to Waterloo. We turn on Waterloo to King's House, and then we turn on King's House to Constant Spring, and we come down the home stretch all the way down to Clock Tower by Transport Center.
Put down the drum, knife and the gun, the knife and the gun, the knife and the gun. Put down the drum, the knife and the gun. And hurry up. They can't believe the fight takes cease. I want a man come and ride me ready. I want a man come and ride me ready. I want a man come and ride me ready. I want a man come and ride me ready.
let's check out some snapshots of some of the costumes in this year's staging of Jamaica Carnival.
Line up yourself, get ready to perform, ready to perform, ready to perform. Nah, I know it isn't easy, but you make it look so easy, girl. Yeah, you don't need recommendation, you come with qualification. You already know the program, the word wrong the tongue. They say you're a monster, why not, why not?
So then you good girl, get on it, on it, on it, on it, on it, on it. Wind up your waist, girl, jump on it, on it, on it, on it, on it, on it. Hook up your waist, girl, get on it, on it, on it, on it, on it, on it. Wind up your waist, girl, walk it, on it, walk it, on it, walk it, on it, walk it, on it, on it, on it.
Before we head to our first commercial break, let's check out some very important road safety tips courtesy of our sponsors, Superior Parts Limited.
In some mountainous sections of Jamaica, and in particular on the new North-South Highway, fog is a regular occurrence. Here are a few tips to help you drive safely during the fog. If you cannot see where you are going, do not drive fast. When driving in fog, use low beam headlights. In fog, never stop on the road. Find a safe place to park and pull over as far away from the traffic and turn off your lights. These tips are brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
Manufacturers of vehicles are not necessarily the manufacturers of parts. They outsource in places such as Japan, Thailand, China, Malaysia, Indonesia, or wherever it is most cost-effective to do so. Visit Superior Parts today for the widest range of genuine and non-genuine, new and used Honda parts in Kingston, Maypen, Mandeville, Mobay, and Ocho Rios. Telephone 929-4410 or 758-0830. Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
As I go through my day, when I work or I play,
there's one thing that I do when I wanna stay cool. Cool on your body any day, anytime. I cool water on the front line. Drop it on the beat, this a I cool time. Tell it to the world, it's a one that I feel reach worldwide.
I cool water helps me stay cool, 'cause I drink cool. I cool water, feel like water helps me stay cool, 'cause I drink cool. I cool water, feel life.
What to cook for dinner today?
Daddy's home!
You have the key to my heart right there.
Mommy, what's for dinner?
Corned beef and rice. Ian, what's that noise?
Nothing, Mommy.
Dinner's ready.
Great quality products for the entire family at unbeatable prices. Hilo, making life easier.